Hello student, today we are going to learn comparison between renewable and non-renewable energy sources. What is the difference between renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources? Here, left column for renewable sources of energy and right column for non-renewable sources of energy. Okay. Number one, energy sources which are continuously and freely produced in the nature are known as the renewable sources of energy. It can be used again and again throughout its life. Okay. Number one, for non-renewable sources of energy, non-renewable sources are those natural resources that are available in limited quantity. It cannot be used repeatedly and it exhausted or vanishes one day. Okay, one day it will be end. Number two, for renewable sources of energy, example, solar energy, biomass, hydroelectric, geothermal energy, wind energy, tidal energy, ocean energy, etc. Okay. Number two, for non-renewable sources of energy, example are coal, natural gases, petroleum, nuclear energy, etc. Okay. Number three, for renewable sources of energy, these are inexhaustible because it is freely available and it is present in unlimited quantity. Okay. Number three, for non-renewable sources of energy, these are exhaustible because it cannot be used again and again. It is present in limited quantity and vanishes one day. It will be vanished in one day. Number four, for renewable sources of energy, these are freely available. That means cost is very low. Number 4, for non-renewable sources of energy, it required some cost. Cost is high compared to renewable sources of energy. Number 5, for renewable sources of energy, these are environment friendly. It has low carbon emission and environment friendly and pollution free. Okay. Number 5, for non-renewable sources of energy, these are hazardous to the environment. It has high carbon emission and not environment friendly. It make pollution. Okay. Number 6, for renewable sources of energy, here energy concentration varies from region to region. In one place, concentration of energy is high, and another one place, concentration of energy is low. Variability in energy production, because it depends on nature, such as flow of air or flow of water. Okay. Number 6, for non-renewable sources of energy, here energy concentration does not vary. That means constant in energy production. Okay. Number 7, for renewable sources of energy, here cost of equipment for production of energy is high, but maintenance and operational costs are minimum. Okay. Number 7, for non-renewable sources of energy, here cost of equipment, maintenance and operational costs are high. Cost of equipment is high, cost of maintenance is high, cost of operational is high. Okay. It is clear, my student, what is the difference between renewable sources of energy and non-renewable sources of energy. Okay, thank you.